Hi everyone, this is Bhushan Kumar. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video I am going to show you how to check trending topic on Twitter. So I have Chrome browser, so I am going to open it. Then type twitter.com in the search bar. Twitter.com. Let's take a while. I have weak network I think. So finally it's open. So there have home icon. Then there have search icon. So search on search icon. Tap on search icon. Yeah. So you can see that's all our trending topic on Twitter. You can see trending in India. Trending in India. If you like my video, please hit the like button. And if you have any suggestion, please comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.